Okay, Thruxton in the Formula 4. This is just pretty much flat out everywhere. There's only 2 braking points.
Green flag, green flag.
I'm near the back. I think I'm last to the qualifiers pretty much. I don't do this track very often, so I'm still learning.
Car on your left.
Changing up early there.
Still there. Clear on the left. Car on your left. Clear on the left.
It's just so fast. Gonna be a lot of slipstreaming, I guess.
Left side. Clear on the left. Left side. Clear on the left.
What the fuck, bro?
Okay, well, let's see if we can keep with them. This is the only corner where you sort of have to ease off a little bit. Otherwise, you just go wide.
An incident ahead. Go left.
Nearly. I thought he was going to get me then. Oh, another race he would have got me. Anyway, let's see if we can just keep with them.
Behind.
Another incident behind. Can we keep with these guys?
Sorry, bro. What the fuck, man?
Well, we'll try. See what we can do. Got someone closing in behind, I think.
20.761.
Look at it. It's just flat out everywhere, isn't it?
Bro.
If I can just keep in the slipstream, I'll be okay. So I'm 0.7 behind. I don't know how big the slipstream effect is, actually. We're about to find out, I think. So I'm easing on this corner because I went wide. It just threw me out wide in practice.
There's an incident behind.
So this is flat out, though. He's getting away, isn't he, that guy? I think he's got the slipstream of the guy ahead. And then I'm going to get caught by this guy, I think.
Right side. Clear.
So I can obviously go through there quicker. Need to be in the 110s. That's where we need to be.
12.2.
Yeah, 2 seconds off where I need to be. Let's see if this car can drag me along. He seems to know what he's doing. Say that, and he's gone wide, so maybe he doesn't.
Car right. Clear.
And I've gone wide. So he's not as quick as he thinks he is then. Find that sometimes. If someone gets a slipstream and goes past you and they think they're fast, but actually it was just the slipstream. So we're getting dropped here, aren't we, by the guys ahead? There isn't a lot of opportunity to make up time because it's just flat out everywhere. We're 8, so that's not too bad. Need to go quicker though. Just hope this guy ahead is a bit quicker.
Go right.
No, he's not. Oh dear. Oh well, another place. But can we catch anyone up?
112.79.
Can we catch anyone up? Let's see. I'll clear a lap this time. Be nice to catch somebody, wouldn't it? Yeah, big ease there. So we're stretched out here a little bit. I wonder if this is just the sort of track where this happens. I'm going slower because I don't have the slipstream anymore.
You got a slow car on the right. Slow car ahead. You got a slow car on the right. The car in P1, just set the fastest lap.
Okay, well they've gone off.
227. Car on your left, 12.046. New fastest lap for you.
Let's go after this guy ahead then. 2.1 behind, so we're going to need a bit of help, I think. Need to try and ease off a bit less there if I can. Oh, I eased off a bit too much because he's closing again, isn't he? Bit of a slipstream. So they're all with us, aren't they?
The car in P1, just
Is that
set
better?
the lap.
A little bit better.
10.184. 11.656.
Okay.
Just set your fastest
So clearly
lap.
there's time to be made there in that corner that I've not been making up till now. Made a mess of that, didn't I? Seems right with me.
Car right. Still there.
So I'm in the back going wide.
Still there. Still there. Hold your line. Clear.
Okay, let's take a slipstream then.
The car in P1, just set the fastest lap. 9.9.
I'm stuck in third, which is probably not right there. I should have gone to second.
Car right, 12.761. Stay on the left. Clear.
Oh, I left it too late there. Just about got away with it. And it actually brought us a bit closer to this guy, so that helped. Just about getting his slipstream. And it is just so fast. Not a lot of skill involved. It's just a lot of flat out. We're 0.8, so let's see if we can keep with him. I think we're getting the slipstream now, which is good. Yeah, 0.7. That's good. Good run through that. So where are we? 7th still.
11.834.
So I need to be braking a bit earlier here, I think.
Car on your left. Clear.
Well, that was one of those overtakes I wasn't trying to
Hold
make,
your line.
actually.
Clear on the left.
It was actually, I think I missed my braking point.
Car right. Keep to the left.
How has he done that?
There. Clear on the right.
Okay. Yeah, that wasn't actually a move I was trying to make. But we kept on the track, so I guess we made it.
Side.
Okay, now there's 3 of
On
us.
the left.
And I'm blocked in here. Nothing I can do.
Still there.
I'm going to have to ease off.
Clear. The car in P2. Just set the fastest lap. 9.94.
He's eased off as well. Don't know why I eased off.
Right side. Clear.
Where's he going then?
339.
Has he got a penalty, I wonder? He's eased right off, hasn't he?
5 minutes to go.
This guy behind seems pretty racy, doesn't he? Okay, where are we then? Can I catch this guy up again? Maybe. We've got the slipstream, haven't we? Guy behind is closing though, which is disappointing.
Car right, you're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.9 seconds. Clear.
So we'll get a slowdown for that, won't he?
11.767.
Definitely cut the corner, didn't he? He's taken his slowdown or not? Well, if he has, he's done very well to keep the position. That hasn't helped us, has it? We've got a good run through here this time.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.8 seconds. Left side. Stay on the right. 11.87. Stay on the right.
Have I got enough to get by the inside for this turn? So
Clear on the left. Car on your left. Clear.
we're getting caught by this car behind, aren't we? I nearly got the old pendulum going there. We're getting left now, aren't we? 8 still. That's a pain. Maybe I need to be a bit braver into the chicane at the end of the lap then. So we've got the slipstream again.
Left side. Stay on the right. Keep to the right. Clear on the left.
Got him. Nice move, even if I say so myself. Have we got time to catch this guy then?
0.953.
He's gone on the grass there, so that would have cost him a bit of time, I hope. If I could just get into this guy's slipstream. That would be good. I don't think I'm close enough. And he's got mine, so I'm going to have the problem at the end of the straight again.
The leader is running 9.966.
Here he comes.
You just got the white flag. That means one more lap to go.
I need a really good lap now.
11.524. That was your fastest lap of the session.
No! Ah!
The car behind is closing on you.
Bugger.
The gap is 3.7 seconds.
Well, trying too much, wasn't I? Rear tyres have had enough, I think.
You have about 5 laps of fuel left.
Bugger! Oh, shit happens, doesn't it? Okay, well, it wasn't too bad. It didn't hit anything. Car's still okay. I'm not dead. Okay, well, lesson learned.
Go right.
Sorry, Emiliano. I tried to defend and
You
made a
got a
real
slow
mess
car
of
on the right.
Oh,
Car on your left. Clear on
did
the
we
right.
get
2-1.
through anyone there? I don't know what happened there. Anyway,
There's checkered flag.
let's have a look at those incidents
Better schedule from...
and then we'll look at the results.
it. Defend-
Okay, then here's a start. So it wasn't too bad a start. Let's see what happened after that. So what's this then? Someone going. This is what I was worried about. Just sort of drifting wide. I did that a few times. Okay, what's happening here? Oh, just running into the back of somebody. That's just careless, isn't it? Oh dear. Yeah, they made a right mess of their race, didn't they? Yeah. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, that's an unusual place to go off. So is this the guy we were following? I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, I think we got by that guy. Oh, unlucky. Oh, he got stopped. Well done. Oh. Yeah, is that what I did? I think it was. Oh, he's braking on the grass. Don't do that. And yeah, that section, it's easy to sort of get the pendulum going and you end up losing the rear end. Oh, United Colours of Benetton's a nice colour. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Is that... Oh dear. Unlucky. Lucky not to get hit. Oh dear. Yeah, keep off the grass. Oh, and that was it. Should we just have a look at my incident then? Here's me then. Last lap. I'd gone a little bit deep here. I'd probably be better off a little bit tighter. Trying to keep the power down and just, yeah, the rear tyres just let's go. So I was very lucky. It was a short spin. Didn't lose too much time. Didn't hit anyone. Yeah. Oh well. Happens. Let's have a look at the results. Okay then. So that was top split out of 2. Lost a tiny bit of safety rating. Oh, I lost my rating as well. That's a shame. So best laps, yeah, just about 110, aren't they? So 199, 199. Where am I? I was 11th in the end. 111.5, so I'm a second and a half off. That's not good, is it? I mean, I was close to those around me, more or less. But a second and a half off is not great. I need to practice some more. Lovely track. Great fun. A bit like an oval almost. Very challenging in the F4 car, although it's quite simple. It is very challenging. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, tell your friends. Maybe I'll see you next time at the track.